Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to connect third-party apps to your Google Drive for easy productivity without any noise. Let me show you how. For the first thing you want to do is open up your Google Drive, and the next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on Settings, and then go ahead and click on Settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Manage Apps. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Connect More Apps. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Then you can filter right here by different options. So I'm going to go ahead and then filter Drive by Drive, and at the same time, I'm going to filter for free of charge. And I'm going to filter by any ratings. And I'll go ahead and click on Done. That will make you see all free apps that you can easily connect to your Google Drive right here. So right here, you have to, the more you scroll down, the more you see different apps right here. So you can go ahead and select any one of your choice in this particular section right here. Like for instance, I'm going to go ahead and select this particular app right here, Password Protect for Drive. So you can see it allows you to create a password protected document for Google Document. You can share this file with others directly. So you can scroll down and check on the preview and the details about this particular app right here. And for you to get this app, you can see the app is free of charge. For you to get this app, go ahead and click on Install right here. And then password protected, get ready to install. Go ahead and click on Continue. Then go ahead and click on Continue right here. Then select all. Then scroll down right here and go ahead and click on Continue. Password Protect for Google. Then Password Protect for Google Docs was connected to the Google Drive. Make Password Protect for Google Docs the default app file for file it can open. I'm going to go ahead and check this. I'll go ahead and click on OK. Then scroll down right here, and then you can see where to find password protected for Google Document. You can find password protected in the following under the app launcher. So you can read details about how you can choose the options of open with. Then go ahead and click on Done, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Google Drive on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.